Brush on a thin, even layer of bonder to the natural nail. Leave a tiny free margin around the perimeter of the nail to avoid the skin. Cure for 10 seconds in the CND LED lamp using preset button 1. Prepare the form for a perfect fit. Begin by cutting the back tab to allow for symmetrical placement. Mold the form into a gentle C curve by holding the bottom tabs and rolling the form back and forth until the C curve mimics the natural nail. Place the form under the free edge and press along the sides to analyze where the side wall of the nail aligns to the form. Remove the form and use cuticle scissors to cut the side wall line back to the cat ear opening. Place the form under the free edge, ensuring a snug fit against the nail. Press firmly on the number 1 indicator on the form to secure the fit to the nail and finger. This will help prevent product seepage under the nail during sculpting. Squeeze the front tabs together at the number 2 indicator and pull the form up toward the nail to create a perfect fit, making sure the sidewall lines align to the nail. Finally, secure the form to the finger by pressing the number 3 indicator to be sure the entire form fits perfectly and is secure against the finger. Cut the bottom tabs when sculpting with gel to assure a lower distance of the hand to the bulbs of the LED lamp. Apply a thin, even layer of builder to the natural nail. Apply a drop of gel to the form to create the desired length and shape. Use the tip of the brush to feather the gel into zone 2. Flash cure for 2 to 3 pulses in the CND LED lamp on button 1. Remove the form and cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Apply a second layer of builder gel to create shape and architecture with the bead. Place the apex down the vertical center of the nail and feather to taper on both sides. Use gravity pull by turning the finger over to help further define the apex. Once all nails are sculpted, complete a full cure for 1 minute using button 2B. Fill low spots by touching the brush to the gel and lift slightly while guiding the gel to the area needed. Once all nails are sculpted, complete a full cure for 1 minute using button 2B. Remove the top film with a cotton pad saturated with 99% IPA. Refine the nail shape using a 180 grit file and buffer using the following technique. Refine the hips on the left side and then the right. Bevel zone 1 and then zone 3 to taper and refine. Refine and smooth the apex. Or utilize a medium grit diamond bit for E-file refinement. Clean nails with 99% IPA. Apply a layer of protector top coat. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Remove top film with a cotton pad saturated with 99% IPA. If using CND shellac, skip the protector top coat and shellac base coat and apply 2 layers of shellac color utilizing the 5-point polish method. Cure on preset button 2S. Apply a layer of shellac top coat. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Lightly wipe to remove top film with 99% IPA.